Google Workspace also. Okay, so that is done. So then we'll go to here. I given a small notes about it, so just like copy paste only. But we didn't discuss anything about a exchange also, and SharePoint also we have to discuss, but we didn't discuss anything about exchange. So guys, we discussed about exchange, but I didn't given any lines for that one. So I told it is there in the PPT. So go through once what is a exchange admin center. So how to create it, what are the dashboards, what is permissions, what is compliance management, organization protection, mail flow kind of stuff. And also you can go through what is mail flow, what is stay organized, stay up to date, start from blank, this mail trace and all we have just I showed, means we discussed, but we are not writing anything on the notepad, right? So here it is, small point I will write. So like what is exchange? Exchange is a mail server, mail server. Okay, instead of instead of install, maintain, mail server, means maintain Microsoft Exchange mail server, Exchange, and Windows Server OS. Okay, so we'll remove this one. Install and maintenance of Exchange. This is application, guys. Microsoft Exchange application, and Windows Server is required for on premises. For on premises. Okay, next. There is a license cost of Microsoft Exchange application and Windows Server. Hardware cost of server. Hardware cost of server. Okay, next. Install, maintain of MS Exchange application and Win server. Okay, license cost of MS Exchange application and Windows server. License cost of application and Windows Server OS. Okay, what are the things you have to do it? Okay, and the redundancy. Redundancy, like a failover. Load balancers. Okay, that is another problem. Storage maintenance. Storage. So these are you have to manage. Of course, network management, security, network security, physical security. Security means network security, physical security, firewalls, and cyber security, like this. So when you say security, everything will come under that one. Network management, IP address management, and everything we have to manage it, right? So instead of managing all these things, okay, so we choose Office 365 or a Microsoft 365 for business or for business or for a enterprise also there now. If you choose, what happen? No need to maintain. No need to maintain application. Install and maintain application and server OS kind of stuff. Windows Server OS. Okay. Application. No need to maintain. No hardware cost. Whatever it is we discussed earlier, so those things not there. Only subscribe to Office 365 or Microsoft 365. Okay, take suitable package for you. For your organization, take suitable package for organization. So do not think I'm spending all on the exchange. Also SharePoint will come when it is come to the SharePoint. So we will cover about the things. This is only cloud and on-premises differences. Okay, take suitable package for your organization. Okay, just simply what we do in this exchange, we'll do it. Okay, so go to Exchange admin console in Office 365. Add users for email accounts. Add users, add groups. Configure email accounts. With your organization domain name, example like a name at the rate company name domain17.com like this. So this is can able to do it. Give username and password to users. So users start send mails users login start using email service or mail service. Okay, so of course there is a few more things are there that is called what is about a mail flow. Okay, mail trace. So what is stay organized, stay up to date kind of stuff. Okay, policies, apply a policies as per your requirement. Okay. Mailbox management. Domains. These are all there. So these are all there in the Exchange part. Same goes for a SharePoint also. This same go for a SharePoint also. I am talking in a SharePoint also. So what is this SharePoint? Also will come. Okay. So this is just for a notes for our Exchange server. Okay. What is Exchange? Mail server for mail exchange purpose. Mail exchange purpose. See, like this is. Okay. It is does not have any description and all, so we can give some description for that one also. Okay. Mail exchange server. Next, what is SharePoint? What is a SharePoint? Guys, understand now? Exchange means?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is this SharePoint? Guys, we are working in an organization. I'm working on a project. Think like that. So I'm working on a project. Okay. There are a lot of things are there. So we will go one by one. So it is. I'm working on a project. Now, how to share the details of this project? So I'm a team leader. For example, I'm a TL position. I have employees are also there. So what I've done, I create a page, just like a blog, like a Google site. Okay. So, but Google site, blogspot.com, or any public domain kind of stuff, anybody can able to view it. Any user can able to do it. But I want to create a page. The page contains your project details. Okay. Some sharing information like where the files are there, how to access those project related documents. Okay. Project related documents, where it is located, what to do, progress bar, what is the status of current project at all. So this is we can able to give. Okay, but thing is, public users should not see it. Public users should not look at it. I have to select a particular people, user 1, user 2, user 3, like that. I have select a person. These persons only can able to view this thing. Like I created already, I told no. So where it is? Here it is. See, 8 members. Okay. So out of these 8 members, so Madhu sir, Abdul, Afsar, okay, Charan Babu, and me as a owner. Okay, Revant, Sudeshna, Sai Prasad, Sahiti. So not Sahiti, it is Sai Prasad up to here. So these are all members. Means they can view what is the thing on this page. Okay. Owner. I'm the owner. He's a one. She's a owner. So what is the ownership there? So I can or Pavani can able to edit this one or remove or new things will be we can add it, new page we can add it, or copy of this page, discard changes, we can send MR kind of stuff. Okay, mainly important is owners can able to edit. Owners can able to edit the page. See, so I'm a owner, so I can able to edit this page. You know what I have written here. So look at here, software development life cycle. Tomorrow I'm going to start with DevOps. Okay. Tomorrow is Wednesday, right? So Wednesday, Thursday, I'm trying to finish DevOps. So yeah, DevOps, I forget about DevOps. last few batches, like 3-4 batches, I'm not taking DevOps. So that's why I forget. Only I'm repeating DevOps. Okay. So it is like a, what is SDLC? Okay, software development life cycle. What are the life cycles inside? Requirement gathering, plan, design, build, test, deploy, maintenance. What is Agile? Next one of this one is Agile only. What is the meaning of Agile? What is Agile manifesto? What is important part of Agile manifesto? The link. Okay, DevOps life cycles. What are the DevOps cycles? Like a continuous development, continuous testing, continuous integration, continuous deployment, continuous monitoring. So plan, design, build, test, deploy, operate, monitor, and there is a integration. Okay, Agile in a development and Agile in operation, that is the main part of your DevOps. So in a DevOps, we use certain tools like a Git, GitHub, Jenkins, JUnit, Selenium, Ant, Maven, Puppet, Chef, Ansible, Docker, Nagios, SolarWinds, New Relic, AppDynamic. These are monitoring tools. See, in single page. So I completed basic important points in the DevOps. So that is what I repeated for a not last batch, before batch. I created this thing. Okay, so I can republish it. You can go with analysis also. So you can analyze how many people are viewed, how many people are had a reacting, okay, page viewers and all. We can able to get it. So no need to save it at all. Nothing. Just I didn't change anything. Okay, I went to my 70s company mail. No. Okay, guys. So we'll go back to SharePoint. You can create a site on your own, okay, or you can create under a frequent site. See, this is my SharePoint. Not only a site, also we can site a blog page.com kind of stuff. Blogger you can able to create kind of stuff. Documents you can create it. Downloads you can able to create it. You can share certain documents. You can share a documents. You can see shared a document. This is site page, but this is shared document. You can share the document. This is also I shared this document. This is Linux practical exams. Okay, so I given some questions here. So then for a easy process of Linux, very Linux basics, like how to create a user. Start with a creating user only. How to create a user, how to create a group, how to create a user to a particular group, or how to add a user to a group, how to check users ID, how to display date, how to display host name. This entire questions only there. Okay, so what we regularly practice, based on that only these questions are there. So we can share the documents, okay, within a group, and only who can able to access Office 365 admin can has all rights, but these things we can give a particular members, only my employees only. I can add a members by typing here a name. I will get it and I will do it. For example, I want to share to RK sir, like this. I can select that user also. Okay, yeah. So here it is. I will try to show you one creating a page. A list is also there. Documents, library, page, space, news post, news link, plan, app. These are all available in your SharePoint. So I'm going to create a page only. So this is a blank page, visual, basic text like that. This is there. It's a blank page. So visuality. This is like a basic text page. I'll take this one as a template. So create a page. Now page is created. Okay, the page is created like this. I want to add a name for a page is like it's a B17. I don't know. I'll put a cloud basics. Okay. I put a cloud basics or Office 365 basics. Okay. So we can add anything. So in the background also we can put some cloud kind of stuff. So here it is. I put some names. Okay. So I'm adding whatever it is like a cloud types I want to put it. Okay. What are the cloud types, guys? Hmm?
Public, private, hybrid.
This is I will put a cloud service models or cloud services. What are the cloud services?
ASPAS.
Ours,
ISPS and
AWS.
Okay. Other things also there, but oh, not like this. Here, cloud service provider, mainly public. What are there? Amazon,
Amazon.
Link, AWS, Azure, Google, Rackspace, Digital, Ocean, anything. IBM has its own cloud, Oracle. Okay, cloud service provider in a public cloud service provider. Uh, so different services, service based who are providing, what are they providing, like that also you can put it. So, but I'm putting a cloud domains, common domains is like a compute. Example EC2, Elastic, Compute Cloud. Okay, Elastic Beanstalk. Virtual machines. Okay, compute. Why it is showing like this? Storage S3, EBS, Elastic Block Storage,
Backup.
Global, that is a backup storage, Global, RDS. What is RDS? Relational Database. MySQL is there inside. MySQL, another one. Yeah, Oracle SQL, MariaDB. Okay, MariaDB, Post ASQL, Aurora. Okay, Aurora is there. Okay, NoSQL part is also there. So which one you have taken? DynamoDB. This is completely AWS manner. DynamoDB. User services like a user identity and security. Is it? I am. Another one is also there. Security kind of stuff. Okay. I am user is there. Networking domain. Networking. VPC. VPN is also there. VPC is there. VPN is there. So some direct is there. Direct connection is there. Direct connect. Connect direct. Direct connect is something. You have to check it once. Okay. Route 53. It's a DNS service. Route 53 is a DNS service. Okay. I'm writing one or two examples only. Okay. Messaging. Messaging. SNS, notification, SQS, Q, SES, email services. Email services. Anything is there? Unable to recollect. Main important compute, storage, RDS, I am user kind of stuff, networking. Of course, you want a message management like a CloudWatch services, Cloud Fountain, okay, Cloud Front. CloudFront kind of stuff. Okay, cloud management services, CloudWatch, cloud notifications, few other things also available. Tools also available. Okay. So you enter cloud is revised. Okay. Again, people are died or silent or no, we don't know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is cloud? I didn't written, so you have to go within once. What is a cloud? Cloud is a service. Which services? You will get it. Will access a service as a web service. What is that one? So what services we are accessing? Network, storage, virtual machines, databases. These are all we are accessing as a web service. So that is called VR cloud. Okay, you can save it as a draft. You can publish otherwise. Just I click a publish. Okay, so helps you find your page. Others find page. How others can find a page? So either you take the page address, copy the address, or send through mails, post as a news on this site. Okay, add pages to navigation, Yammer, like that. Okay, so you can copy the address and you can tell them, I'm here. I took a address, right? So just I'm paste and go. Okay, when I trying to open that page, I can't able to page. It is asking email ID. If you have an email ID and password, then only you can able to open. First of all, second, you can distribute via email. Okay, so there's a new email. The email address, you have to specify the email address and add the message. This is the we have done. Okay. Okay, or you can say Yammer. Through Yammer also you can send it, publish to all your members. So you can say send to MR, like share your thoughts and all. Those who are in your community, just add them and post them. Okay, I just post as a news on this site. Just people who are checking a news in this site, so they will get it. So just I published it as a post. Okay, look at here again. So I'm click on here. See it is new post is added, cloud basics. For example, in my group, someone is seen. So they open it. They can able to view the thing. If they have a edit option, so they can edit it. If they don't have a edit option, so then they can leave it. No. Okay. So that is the point I'm trying to say. So guys, this is a 1% of a SharePoint. Within an organization, you want to share the knowledge. So in a SharePoint, importance is like we can share. Okay, we can create a sites, share information, documents, and share information, documents, like a blog kind of stuff. Information means site-wise, blog-wise, invitations, Okay, so share information, documents, invitations, any other things. Immersive reader is also there. Just step, next step, got it. Start with. It's reading, whether you are able to listen or not. So it's reading. That's the point here. Okay, so where I'm located, guys, important is you can send invitations also, pages, you can create a pages, sites, you can create your own sites, groups communication, group you can create it. Like I created a Savantis, private group I created. Okay, conversations. You can do the conversations. What are the conversations we have done within this group? Also, we will get it. So direct email conversation is came. So within this group, what are the conversations? You can also get it. In group, in your group conversations, teams, notebooks, site like that. We can able to do it. We can add a post. We can able to create it. You can promote it through. Can send it also. Okay. My site. This is not my site. I never put a site name is like that. Okay. My news. So the latest news. Can able to blogs. So what is the use of SharePoint? We can share anything within the organization. What it is, we can share within organization. Can share within the organization. Okay, so what we can able to share, we can share the documents, we can share the pages, invitations, group conversions. You can create a groups, private groups, you can create it. Okay, and we can conversation with the private groups, team meetings within the groups. blogs, news publications. Also we can do it. Post, a simple post. Also we can do it in a organization. So that is the main point of our SharePoint. So look at here it is. I went to my SharePoint main page like this SharePoint. So these are all like that only. This is one group. These are all same group. Okay, different positions are there. Some different frequent site. Another site. This is mine. This is different site. This is another one. See cache office flow, screen flow, cache office one. It is showing like this. Okay. You can create your own site or you can create a news post also. I've seen how to create a site and also you can frequent where you want to choose where to publish news. You want to choose here to publish or you want to choose here. Okay. Otherwise you can create your own site. So create a site. So team site or communication site. Look at here. Team site or a communication site. So what I'm trying to do is I'll take this screenshot. So what is the team site? Create a private space to collaborate with your team. Okay, now we got it. So this is a better idea. Okay. Actually, there is my name and Savanti's name is there. Okay, no problem. I will edit it. Okay, so I can edit it, right? So then we'll go to that point here, red color. So remove this my name. Okay, LS is okay. No problem. Savanti's name also I don't better clean up. Why we are cleaning up? Not required. Anyway, it is recorded. We have nothing to do. Okay. So simply, guys, look at here. Create a private kind of stuff. Yeah, it is better. On the down also reduce it. Okay, so team site and communication site. What is the difference? You can go through that one. Okay, when you are creating a site, it is asking create a private space to collaborate with your team, track and stay updated on a project status, share team resources and co-authorize content. All site owners and members publish site content. Understand? So in a team content, so you can track and stay updated on project status. Like you have got a new project. You are created a collaboration team site. That's actually word we have to use, the collaborate. This is mainly for collaboration. Share team resources and co-author content. It means you have a team leader. There is some junior team leader is there, or a senior project manager is there, or a senior person is there. What is it? We can co-authorize them. So they will tell what is happening to your project, what is the status of your project, what are the resources required, what are the resources are available, accessing the resources, we can tell in the simple, we can discuss in the team. All site owners and members publish site content. So the content can be published by owners. Communication site. Share information that energize and inform viewers. Like now I created a one blog, right? Like a one page I created. So I have some news or some thoughts like that. So we can create a portals or a subject specific sites. So I can create on a technical related or maybe a community related or maybe some health related. So like so daily eat honey based subject like a honey. Okay, so daily eat what we can say sprouts. Okay, so like that you can like a health related, like we can create any communication related. Engage dozens and thousands of views. View content others and many site visitors. View content others and many site visitors. Okay, anyone can be able to see this within the organization. This is within your team. This is within your organization. So this is your site. So this is a site. You can create a communication site or a team site it is. If you click on a team site, site name, site description and finish, then you have to add all the site kind of stuff. So this in the creating of site. Okay, this is create a team site. So this is our we are getting. Learn more is you'll get a overview, site governance, permissions, and sharing of site owner. So these are all information is there. Okay, if in case you are very interested to learn about a site management kind of stuff, that too in a team site management, you can do that one. Create a team site. In a sites we have a team site and other site. Communication site. Communicate. No, communication. Okay, sites are team site, communication site. For example, now I cancel this. No. Cancel, yes. So I want to create a site, but this time communication site. So what it is showing this thing, right? Same thing, site name and all. But this is team site is within your team. Okay, team site means within your time. So communication site is not based on your team, it is only based on your okay, only based on your team is a within your team, within your project handling, that is team sites. So you have to add your team. But communication site is not like that. You create a story about certain subject and all and tell to everyone. So anybody can able to access your team. So you want to learn it about more. So very simple. Go to this Butler link. Same only, no difference. No difference. Like owner, member, visitor. Visitor means read only. Owner, full control. Member, edit and contribute. Okay. So 1 second, I will check it once. Default, okay, title, default permissions, and I think use it for. The owner is there. Owner got a full control and use it for. And the member got edit and contribute. Use it for people who are able to edit kind of stuff only, they will get it. So trusted members, but they cannot delete original post. Okay, they cannot change the membership and all. So these are the post related kind of stuff. Site members, site kind of stuff. I created that site. Savantis Acad is that site I created. Okay. Just I have a that kind of hobby, like do something and try something. Okay. So lot of information is there. So site owner and all this much not required for you also. Okay. So yes. So this is very basic information. So this is creating a new post. You can create a post under a page. So I creating a post under this page. Add a name or email ID, and anything information you want to add it, you can add it. Okay, I put a this is new post. Name is Latif. It's a trainer. So I can post the published thing, or I can add things like this. Okay, so you can text news link. Okay, like this. I can create my own post only. Okay. This post are immediately saving. That is not at all good. So okay. So post news, or you want to post any other thing, you want to edit things, or you want to add things, you can able to do it. So finally, and then not done anything post here. Okay. So like this, you can create a site. Two type of sites you can create it, like a subject wise, team wise, or a community wise site we can able to create it. Okay. And also we can create a post under it. We can create a pages under it also. Like I created a page. What is this? It is news from the site. It is I created a page. Okay. I can edit kind of stuff. Okay. I can put a new post in it, copy of new post. You can send through email. You can promote it to everyone. Okay. Through email or a post, we can able to do it. This is site content. Okay, you want to add anything to it, like your site pages, site assets, pictures, documents are connected to it. Okay, like this. So this is another page I created earlier. Okay, so preview. Okay, so this is a direct link I have created, or I just copy pasted. So this look like little different, but it is PowerShell desired state configuration. Okay, so modified way, that is. I created this. DevOps also I created. Welcome notes. Bhavani madam created under this one. Yeah, this is. I thought it is enough for you. Okay. Guys, understand what is the use of this Sharepoint?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can share information within an organization by creating sites like a team site, communication sites. We can share the documents. We can share within the groups. We can create a group and we can conversation with the groups or share within the groups. We can create a news post. We can conduct a team meetings within that one also. Like you can see, not here, here. Okay, even like we can create a meetings within that one also. Somewhere it is there. It is gone now. Just trainers. My names are different now. So this is what I'm trying to say. It is okay.